Hello everyone, it's Chris
And Michi.
and we are having our big adventure here at Virginia Beach. Isn't that right?
I'm starving. I've got tunnel vision right now. I'm heading straight for Planet Pizza, which I have to make a conscious effort not to call Pizza Planet because, you know, Toy Story.
Right.
Right, that is the right way. Toy Story is Pizza Planet, here it's Planet Pizza, right?
Right.
Right, okay. I'll remember that today.
We're on our Virginia Beach vacation. First day, we just got in, settled at our room, and we're walking to my favorite place on the beach for eatings.
Okay, I was gonna say, I hope that's for eating specifically, not like your top favorite.
No, it is the only place I like to go.
I was gonna say.
No. Planet Pizza. So, if you've never been, we'll share it with you. Won't we?
Yes, but not
Okay.
the pizza.
Not the pizza. We can't put the pizza into the camera.
Wonka Vision hasn't been invented yet.
I hope they work on Wonka Vision. That needs to be a thing. So, come with us and eat. Or not. Pretend like you can eat with us.
Or eat pizza while you're watching this.
Yeah, there you go. Eat pizza while you watch this, and then you are eating pizza with us. Technically. Here we are, Planet Pizza. The best pizza place on the beach. Am I right?
Maybe ever. I mean, eliminating
Maybe
like,
ever.
maybe eliminating like old school Chuck E. Cheese and Showbiz pizza.
Now, if they had one of those,
Year later, I'll pulverize your face.
barbecue chicken rocks. Blah, 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 blah. Pizza with pepperoni, onion, and pineapple.
This is my half, the superior half.
The pineapple half is
The
Michelle's.
superior half.
The onion half is mine. But we may share if we'd like.
I'm starving for more water. You guys enjoy.
So we spent like about 4 or 5 hours in the car on the way here. We're finally done eating. And we're just wandering now. Virginia Beach is normally a trip that we take with Michi's parents and her sister sometimes, but everybody is busy. So it's just the two of us.
Well, last year we were by ourselves because it was for our honeymoon.
Yes. I almost got walked into a tree.
That's what you get. See, that's what you get for staring at your phone and not looking where you're going.
Hey, look at this.
It's the problem with millennials these days, always looking at their damn phones and not where they're going.
Yeah, so now we're just wandering, walking by ourselves. Last year was our honeymoon. We enjoyed this last year,
Now it's like
and we're gonna do it
honeymoon
again.
number 2.
Yeah, that's like number 2 for us.
Honeymoon number 2, electric boogaloo.
I can enjoy one every year.
One
Why
a year,
not?
you gotta have one honeymoon a year.
Yeah, one honeymoon a year. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Let's see some more of the beach. Son of a... Actually at the beach. In case you thought we were lying, there it is. Right behind us. So yeah, see the water? Yeah, we are actually at the beach. We weren't just trying to fool you. With all of them facing in different directions, which way it is, to go with the flow? Which way is the flow?
It's like two different schools of fish, I guess.
Let it go. Just let it go, seagull. It's not worth it. Just let it go. Be free. Let it go. Thought that was a real seagull at first, but it wasn't. So it's starting to get dark outside. Allegedly, it might rain tonight. So we're gonna go back to the hotel. Would you like to see our hotel? Would you?
So we are going up the stairs. We're not going to use the elevator at all except for luggage because we are trying to be healthy and get lots of exercise and lose weight. So no elevators, just stairs. And we're on the 6th floor.
Here is room 608 at the Ocean Key Resort Hotel, where we have our room. And here's our adorable little key card with a kid turning into a seal, I think? Something like that. Let's see if this key opens this door. It worked. By God, it worked. Thank you, little seal girl. Thank you. So this is our room. A nice room as it is. The little wall lights. A couch that actually folds out into a bed should you have enough people. A little comfy chair with a pull-out futon. No, what's the word? Ottoman. That's the word. Okay. And you got your kitchen with a refrigerator and a stove top, and here's a light switch so we can see what we're doing. Yeah. Here's a thing where you can turn this hot room into a refrigerator if you'd like to. Here's a door. You can't go in there. That's the utility room where the hot water thing is. All these drawers and cabinets and knives should you want to You know, kill your family while on vacation. Let's see what else we got. The bathroom. No one goes in there. Shouldn't go in there. It's terrible. And then, what's this? This room comes with a free complimentary Michi.
Hey there, big boy.
Oh my. Just what I've always wanted. I love this hotel.
And this is our view out our hotel window. I like how the Ramada has that blue lighting outside their building. It's just really cool, really pretty. You see this thing on the wall? That thing there? This thing right there. Don't put your hangers on it. Whee! Splat.
I think that's it for one day. I'll see you tomorrow.